So this is something that I thought might be interesting. I'm just going to do a quick walk around and show all the stickers that I've got on my car. It's accumulated a few by now and some of them are a little bit interesting. So I'll start on this window. Basically the boring ones first. 10/10 is just the oil I've been running and they come with stickers sometimes. IPG parts, somewhere I've got stickers, somewhere I've bought parts from and it's just a sticker. This is like the crappy stuff that you get from Super Cheap Auto and I thought it was kind of funny that I got a sticker with it. This is a gauge that was actually crap and I don't have it anymore. Is the front brake pads. So the front brake pads are actually out of an Evo 10 and I just cut them out to be a Prelude shape. The winter sticker, I just thought it was cool. This Ebisu sticker, I've got a couple of these. These are actually like from the track and I buy them when I'm there. And they're nice and yellow when you get them and they're all faded. Like they go this yellow pale colour and all the ones at Ebisu are all this colour and it's sort of like, I don't know, I think it looks cool. It's like an authentic sticker, I guess. This is a D1 Grand Prix sticker. This is actually from one of my friends in Japan that drifts front wheel drive Corolla. And he was driving a demo at one of their rounds and he had a few of these stickers and he gave me some. This is a Cars and Coffee event I was at in Osaka. Factory Gear, this is like a Japanese tool shop and they had a couple of stickers when we bought stuff and they had a cool selection of like lots of interesting tools you don't get everywhere else. This is a weight penalty sticker from the Japanese like Super GT class. So as the cars are too fast or they're too light or they do really well, they add weight penalties to them and these little stickers are on the side of the car to say how much weight they carry. This is a Super GT sticker. I bought that sticker pack with the weight penalties and stuff at Twin Ring Motegi, which is where the Honda Museum is. This is a really famous Japanese front wheel drive drift team and the driver of the Corolla that drives the Corolla was a D1 gave me this sticker 2 years ago I think and that's their team. They're probably the best front wheel drive drift team in Japan. This is from one of my friends. His website is Funky Garage. It's just a school idol sticker because it was cool. Tamiya sticker. This is from Village Vanguard, which is like a Japanese bookshop, but they sell heaps of like super random stuff as well as books. This is probably Australia sticker. I just cut these out myself. This I got at Ebisu when I bought probably the world's most expensive bottle of power steering fluids. I thought if I'm paying this much for a steering fluid, I'm 100% bringing the stupid sticker back to put on my car. I think it was almost $200 for a bottle, like a 1 litre bottle of power steering fluid. Obviously Team Red Stage. There's an Endless one. I've currently got Endless brake pads. The Team Red Stage sticker and the Endless sticker are ones I've made myself. You can see there's bits of, it used to have a livery on it, and there's bits of it still on there, and that's what this shadow in here is for. I'll get onto that in a minute. This is an old Speed Hunters Maximum Attack sticker. I thought this was like a cool idea for a sticker, but this one's seen its fair share of wall taps. It's a bit tired looking. The toe point marker, which has been slightly painted over. That's just another one I cut out at home. Another Prelude Australia sticker, the same 10/10 IPG, it's brake pads. Powered by Super Eurobeat, just because Super Eurobeat is rad. When this car had a stereo in it, it was always pumping Super Eurobeat at track days. Gates Racing is just another parts thing, but the sticker, it doesn't come across in the video, I thought it was cool because it's like all embossed in 3D. This is from a restaurant in like a sort of industrial-ish area around Japan. We went there with one of the D1 drivers. He took us there and after he'd taken us out to do some street lamp inspecting around the industrial area, which was a pretty awesome night. And this restaurant had like a Tomei SR20 like set up for sale and there was an S13 like in the restaurant and it was just a cool place and they gave us these stickers. Another Ebisu sticker. Happo Circuit. This is a really famous street drift road in Japan and obviously it's a bit of a joke, like it's not a circuit, it's a public road, Happo Circuit. This is from my friend Shige, the same guy that gave me the ETC card reader on my other videos. This is an older sticker, so that one that was at the top on the other side, the front wheel drive drift team, this is an older one of their stickers that I got a couple of years ago now. That's off that same sheet from the other place, from the Super GT stickers. These, I didn't realise for ages, the Penrite bottles of oil, the label comes off and it's actually a little separate sticker, so I actually probably been throwing out hundreds of these and I just could be jamming them on things instead. That's just an insurance license thing that I got. I bought the license for an event I never went to, so I spent like 50 bucks on a license and never used it, so I thought if I spent my 50 bucks, I'm at least getting the freaking sticker on my car. There's one of my friends that does a photography page and a page on Facebook. This sticker says don't drink and drive. This chick's holding the beer. It's from the same guy that gave me this sticker and this is from Funky Garage again, another Prelude Australia sticker. This whole vinyl on the side, so this was like nice rainbowy glittery and it's turned to crap in the sun and it used to go up the sides here as well. This was when I was sort of got the vinyl cutter and I was experimenting with it and I thought it'd be cool, so I had that. It also used to have holographic bits down the bonnet. That side I peeled off, this side is still on, I've just painted over it so it's all like cracking and stuff. There's a banner, this is from, well, I was driving around Gambia DCA. This was purple, now it's turned this colour in the sun. This is from Kick It Festival, which is like an old, it was like a 2 or 3 day drift event run at Wakefield like years ago, and the sticker's still on there. There's a lot of stickers behind this that I can probably see. These are just scrutineering things. This is another one that was just me experimenting with the vinyl cutter. So this sticker, that was a test cut out of some crappy vinyl. That sticker, you can't see it, it's on the back window of this car as well, and I've sold a few of them, but I thought this would just fall off because it was crap vinyl, or at least I thought it was, but it's still on there. These I just bought off eBay when I first got the car, because I was like, oh yeah, sick, Advan sticker above the indicator, classic Honda, blah blah. Under here, there is a Spoon Sports sticker. This Spoon sticker and a couple other ones I actually bought at the Spoon workshop when we went for a visit, I don't know, like a few years ago. That one got vinyl over it, the other one, the other side's uncovered. But they're genuine Spoon stickers, bro, to go with my Spoon gear knob and Spoon sump plugs. They're the only Spoon parts that I have. Around the other side, obviously battery triangle, seen better days, that was just one I cut out. The other Advan one, that's the scrutineering sticker that goes with the event that had the banner. This is Initial Drift, which is like a really old Australian drift club that used to run drift days. If you've been to, I don't know if they still sell them, but they used to always sell these stickers that said I love drift and t-shirts and hats, and it was really popular for ages. So I made this one that said I love FF drift in the same font, but it was cheap vinyl. I thought that one would do the same thing as this one, but this one fell apart and that one didn't, so that might have been a better vinyl. When we bought the vinyl cutting machine, it came with a heap of spare stuff, so I don't know what's what. This is the Spoon sticker that's hiding on the other side of that door underneath the vinyl. There's this big gold Team Red Stage one down the side. This was actually part of a livery. That same bit of livery where there's that red on the bumper and the shadow on the guard was part of like a full livery. I only ever did it on one side, and then I crashed the car fairly well not long after it and sort of completely destroyed this rear quarter. And I didn't have any red vinyl left to repair it, so I ended up just pulling the whole thing off, but I just left that bit on because I thought it looked kind of cool. Inside the car, it's probably getting a bit dark. There's another Team Red Stage sticker, which is just a home jobby one. There's this, I had these smelly cherries on one of my friend's cars that was a wreck. They've been hanging from the back there. This one managed to break its string and now it just flies around inside the car. Another Ebisu sticker. This one is from Shige, the same guy that gave me the Hapo Circuit sticker and the Don't Drink and Drive. This one is something about be kind to cute police girls, something along those lines. As far as the back of the window, so these sun visors are actually out of one of the Ebisu cars that Nick wrecked down, and I needed sun visors for this because the top hoop stopped the sun visors, so now they're in this car, from an Ebisu car. These are just scrutineering stickers from different events. I used to have a Speed Hunters windscreen banner, which just got covered by the DCA one. And I think that's pretty much it as far as stickers go. My nice gear knob, bro. Oh, it's out of focus. Ugh. Anyway, stickers seem to be a popular topic on Facebook, so I thought I'd do a quick walk around, just show what I've got, where I got it from, and the story behind it. I will do a full walk around of this car because a few people asked me after I did the walk around of the Ebisu car. So next, if you want to see that one, keep an eye on my channel and I'll stick it up when I get around to it.